What were the key warnings Robert Gates gave about NATO's future during his 2011 address? His blunt critique shocked many and revealed deep challenges that could shake the alliance's foundation. In his 2011 address, Robert Gates delivered a stark warning that NATO was facing serious threats to its cohesion. He pointed out that member countries were often unwilling to share the burden equally, leading to divisions within the alliance. This lack of unity risked weakening NATO's ability to respond to global threats effectively. Gates emphasized that if the alliance could not overcome internal disagreements, its future would be in jeopardy. Another key warning Gates gave was the need for NATO to regain strategic focus. He argued that the alliance was spreading itself too thin by engaging in too many missions without clear priorities. This dilution of effort could lead to mission failure and loss of credibility. Gates urged NATO members to concentrate on the most critical security challenges instead of trying to do everything at once. Gates was particularly vocal about the issue of burden sharing. He criticized several NATO countries for not investing enough in their defense budgets and relying too heavily on others, especially the United States. This imbalance, he warned, could breed resentment and undermine collective defense commitments. His blunt message was a call for fairness and responsibility among all member nations. Finally, Gates expressed concern that without significant reform, NATO risked becoming irrelevant. The world was changing rapidly with new threats emerging that required adaptation. He urged NATO to modernize its capabilities and rethink its role to stay effective. Gates' warnings were a wake-up call to ensure NATO would remain a vital force for peace and security in the years ahead. Robert Gates' 2011 address was a powerful alert about NATO's future. He challenged the alliance to fix internal fractures, share burdens fairly, and sharpen its focus or risk decline. These warnings remain vital today as NATO continues to navigate a complex world. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.